Dear student, today discuss about a great story. Indian great scientist known as Raman effect and famous for theory of Raman effect. For Sir C.V. Raman. Sir C.V. Raman was born on November 7, 1888. November 7, 1888. When was Sir C.V. Raman born? When was Sir C.V. Raman born?
November 7, 1888.
1888. Very good. Sit down. First question in your homework. Write down. When was Sir C.V. Raman born? When was Sir C.V. Raman born? November 7th, 1888. Sir C.V. Raman born. Second question. Where was Sir C.V. Raman born? Second time, Sir C.V. Raman was born on 7th November 1888 in Trichy. Name of the place? Trichy. Trichy. Name of the place. Second question, write down. Where was Sir C.V. Raman? Answer? Trichy. He was the son of Chandrasekhara Iyer and Parvati Ammal. Third question. Who were the parents of Sir C.V. Raman? Third question, write down. Who were parents of Sir C.V. Raman? Father Chandrasekhara Iyer. Father name? Chandrasekhara Iyer. Mother name? Parvati Ammal. Parvati Ammal. Father name? Chandrasekhara Iyer. Mother name? Parvati Ammal. Who were the parents of Sir C.V. Raman? Parvati Ammal. There are three questions. One is, when was Sir C.V. Raman born? November 7, 1888. Where was Sir C.V. Raman born? Trichy. Who were the parents of Sir C.V. Raman? Chandrasekhara Iyer and Parvati Ammal. Three lines. Rise of the three questions. Understand? Chandrasekhara Iyer was a professor of physics at Hindu College, Visakhapatnam. Chandrasekhara Iyer. Who was Chandrasekhara Iyer? Father. Father of Father of ಯಾರ್ ತಂದೆ? ಸರ್ ಸಿ ವಿ ರಾಮನ್. Father of ಸರ್ ಸಿ ವಿ ರಾಮನ್. Chandrasekhar Iyer was a professor. Was a professor. What was his subject in professor? Physics. Physics. Where? At Hindu College, Visakhapatnam. What was the name of the college? Hindu College. Where was the Hindu College? Visakhapatnam. Visakhapatnam. Raman studied there at the Hindu College High School. Same college and same school. Father worked in the college. Son studied the college. Father Chandrasekhar Iyer, professor in Hindu College. Yes, sir. Sir C V Raman studied in Hindu College. And I see he was very much interested in science from his boyhood days. Sir C V Raman very interested with especially which was the subject? Science. Science, especially physics. Science included 3 parts: physics, chemistry, and biology. Science, there are 3 parts. Sir C V Raman especially interested in physics. He was very much interested in science from his boyhood days. Boyhood days means childhood days. Primary level, high school level, very interested. Even as a boy, he had made the model of a dynamo. At the age, childhood age, you made one of the science exhibition part. You prepare the dynamo. Even as a boy, he had made a model of a dynamo. This is the show for the interest of science for Sir C V Raman. During his school days, he studied in his school days. At the time, he borrowed science books from college students and read them. Understand? Sir C V Raman studied in high school level. At the time, you borrow the college science books. Not only borrowed, but also he read the science books. He studied in the high school, but you read the college science books. This is a show for the very interested in science. Very interested in science. He borrowed science books from college students and read them. Thus, from his early days, he showed great interest in science. He was very interested. Unfortunately, he used to fall sick every now and then. but his health is not good. Very intelligent and very interested in science, but you fall sick every now and then. He was not able to attend school regularly. Also, Sir C.V. Raman was not able to attend school regularly. Fourth question. Moment, write down. Why did Sir C.V. Raman was not able to attend school regularly? Why did Sir C.V. Raman was not able to attend school regularly? Why? What is the reason? What? Sick. Spelling. S-I-C-K. Sick. Also, he could not attend the regular class. But very interesting. There are 4 questions. In this para, raise the questions. Next, second para. In spite of his poor health, he got first class in his matriculation examination. The achievement. In spite of his poor health means sick, poor health. Although he got first class in his matriculation examination, at the time when he was only a boy of 12 years old boy. Was 12 years old boy, he passed the matriculation exam. Matriculation exam. Although he got first class in his matriculation examination. At the time, he was only 12 years. How many years old boy? 12 years old boy. He passed the matriculation examination. He passed the intermediate examination. Next, he passed the intermediate examination from Hindu College and joined Presidency College. Same, you passed the intermediate examination in Hindu College and joined Presidency College, Madras for his BA. Full formation BA, Bachelor of Arts. Bachelor of Arts. You joined the Madras Presidency College. You studied the B. His relatives wanted him to give up science and take history and economics as a special subject for his BA. But his parents wanted him. He was childhood very interested in science. Also, Sir C.V. Raman choice in the BSc. What? history and economics. History and economics a special subject for BA. Since Raman had made up his mind to study science. You very interested in science, but joined in BA, economics and history were major subject. He interested in science. He took physics. Also, you get the special subject physics. There are three subjects there in degree are BA, Sir C.V. Raman, history, economics, and physics. History, economics, and physics is studied in the BA. He passed his BA, securing in the first rank. He passed the BA in first rank. Because why? Was very interested in science, was hard work in science, and you studied in high school level, but you borrowed the college books, read and understand this theory. Also, you are very hard working and very interested. He get the first rank in degree and a number of prize. You got so many prizes of it because you get a first rank. Get a first rank. Also, number of prizes. He passed his MA. Other higher study, BA first rank, and you join the MA. Full meaning MA. Master of Arts. Master of Arts. In Master of Arts, you major subject physics. You studied in the degree in physics. Master's degree major subject is physics. Why you selected the physics in master's degree level? Why? What is the reason? First rank also. And then very interested in science. Very interested in science, especially physics. Also, you master degree level, you studied in the physics. In January 1907, you passed the MA, completed MA, subject physics in 1907. After his MA, Raman wanted to go to the United Kingdom for higher studies in science. He wanted to go to the United Kingdom, UK means England, Britain, England, United Kingdom for higher studies in science. But his health broke down again. But health broke down again. Broke down means poor health or sick. But his health broke down again. And degree, but he could not go to the degree. Why? What is the reason? Sick. Sick is two questions concept. One is regularly, could not attend the class regularly. What is the reason? Sick. And second reason, Sir C.V. Raman could not go to the higher studies for England. Could not go to the England. Why? What is the reason? Sick. Unfortunately, he could not go to the England. This was the greatest disappointment in his life. Disappointment. Disappointment is ನಿರಾಸೆ. ಸಿ ವಿ ರಾಮನ್ಗೆ ಬಹಳ ಆಸೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರು. ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ, ಇಂಗ್ಲೆಂಡ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಅನಾರೋಗ್ಯ ಅವರ ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರಭಾವ ಬೀರಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. This was the greatest disappointment in his life. ಅವರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಇಡೀ ಜೀವನದಾಗೆ ನಾವು ಬಹಳ ನಿರಾಸೆ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇರ್ತೀವಿ. His relatives asked him to give up a study of science. At that time, the relatives say, you studied in science and take competitive examination in Calcutta. You take the examination, competitive examination. ಸ್ಪರ್ಧಾತ್ಮಕ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆ, competitive examination in Calcutta in history and economics. Raman did so. There are two subjects, history and economics, and got along well with these new subjects. The new subject, history and economics, new subject because you are arts subject is studied in this side, also new subject. Although he got the first place in the competitive examination. New subject, but you are going to first place in the competitive examinations and was appointed Deputy Accountant General in 1907 at Calcutta. Appointed because you passed the competitive examination. Also, Sir C.V. Raman selected the place Deputy Accountant General DAG. Deputy Accountant General 1907 at Calcutta. Appointed. What was the designation? DAG. DAG means Deputy Accountant General. His relatives perhaps felt happy to see that Raman had settled down well in life. At that time, Sir C.V. Raman's relatives very happy because Sir C.V. Raman appointed the DAG in Calcutta, Deputy Assistant General, Accountant General. But Raman was not happy, means unhappy. Sir C.V. Raman was not happy. How could a scientist like Raman put up with the life of Deputy Accountant General? He was very the science and you made the research for in science, was dreamt for the science field, but he appointed the Deputy Accountant General. Also, Sir C.V. Raman was not happy. Mean unhappy. He felt like a fish out of water in his new post. Compare. Fish lived in the water very freely, very empty. At the time, out of the water, fish out of the water, you lived. Fishes live? No. Fishes died. Fishes died. ನೀರೊಳಗೆ ಮೀನು ಸ್ವತಂತ್ರವಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಜೀವನ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಂತ ಮೀನನ್ನ ಹೊರಗೆ ತಂದಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಮೀನು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೊರಗೆ ಬದುಕೋದು. ಹಂಗೆ ಸರ್ ಸಿ ವಿ ರಾಮನ್ ಆದ್ರು ಅಂತ. ಯಾಕೆ? ಸರ್ ಸಿ ವಿ ರಾಮನ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಬಾರಿ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್, ಆದ್ರೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿರೋದು ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಾಗೆ? ಅಕೌಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಬರೆಯೋದ್ರಿ. ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಕಾಮರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಹೌದಲ್ವೇ? ಅಲ್ವೇನ್ರಾ? ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಆದ ಬೇರೆ ಅವರ ರಿಲೇಟಿವ್ಸ್ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನೋಡಿ, ಎಂತದೋ ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸ ಸಿಗ್ತಾರೆ ಯಾವ್ದೋ ಒಂದು ಅಂತ ರಿಲೇಟಿವ್ಸ್ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ? ಯಾಕೆ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ? ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಅಚೀವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಸಣ್ಣ ಕಲ್ಸ್ಕೊಂಡರೆ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದು ಯಾವುದು? ಅಕೌಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಬಂತು, ಡೆಪ್ಟಿ ಅಕೌಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಜನರಲ್ ಬಂತು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಲಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಮೀನನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ತಂದಾಕ್ತಾ? ಫಿಶ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ವಾಟರ್. ಹಂಗಾಗ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ but he still had hopes of becoming a scientist. He was very interested in science and was waiting for an opportunity. Waiting for opportunity. ಅವಕಾಶಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು? ಕಾಯ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. He was very interested. Answer the following question and share your response with your partner. Questions, the 5 questions are going to be. Question number 1. तुम्हारा सवाल. Who were Raman parents? Who were Raman's parents? Henry.
Chandrasekhara Iyer and Parvati Ammal.
Full sentence. Full sentence. Sir C.V. Raman parents were. Parents were Chandrasekhara Iyer and Parvati Ammal. Understand? Understand? Sit down. Second question. Why was Raman not able to attend school regularly? Why? Why? What is the reason Sir C.V. Raman would not attend the regular school regularly? Anybody? Yes. Attend ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. Why? What is the reason? Sick. Sick. Third question. Where did he complete the intermediate examination? Intermediate examination. Where? Elli? Hindu college. Hindu college. tomorrow you write the answer and understand. Wait, thank you. Continue.